Let's go, let's go.
Get ready.
Go!
I didn't used to pay attention to famous people until I watched Friends, a US sitcom. Her name is Lisa Kudrow, a smart and talented actress. She has blonde hair and beautiful eyes. Among the actors and actresses who played in Friends, she's not the most well-known one, but the role Phoebe Buffay she played is really hilarious. When I was in college, my English teacher recommended Friends to me. One day after school, I watched the episode and was attracted by her. The reason why she became famous is that she played well in the well-known sitcom and showed her talent by acting a wonderfully weird woman in a naive and fun way. Interestingly, in real life, she is quite different from the role she played. She is not only far from weird, but also intelligent and works diligently. She has received many award nominations and won some of them. Of course, I like her so much. Firstly, being an actress with no scandal is rare in the entertainment industry. Besides, she gained outstanding achievements back in college and earned a Bachelor of Science in Biology. To tell you the truth, she is even an expert in playing snooker, so she's my favorite actress for she wins her audience with her talent.